Tuesday, Instagram announced something super duper cool, which is that they're going to be changing their API to a graph API, kind of like how Facebook has, so that you can now schedule, like truly schedule, your content to Instagram using an approved partner like Tailwind or Hootsuite, and if you have an Instagram business account. Plus, there's going to be a few other features that you can now see when you are using those third-party tools to check out your Instagram account. So there are a couple things that you need to have in place before you do this, okay? So you want to make sure that you're ready. The first thing is you need to make sure that you have set up a business Instagram account. So right now I'm going to show you how to do that right here. So right now I'm going to show you, go into edit your profile here on Instagram. And you're going to want to choose the option to set up a business profile. Go through the little steps, click it to connect to a Facebook page. That's the next step. If you don't have a Facebook page that goes with that Instagram account, it will prompt you to create one. So for this We Love Tamales account, we don't have a page. So I went ahead and went through the process of creating one. Now, it's not going to allow you to use emojis. It's not going to allow you to use all caps, which you can do on your Instagram account name. So you want to make sure that you are aware of that when you're setting up the Facebook page that goes with this account. You'll also want to make sure that you choose the right type of Facebook page. I like to use community. You can use whatever it is that you want. This is a community of people who like tamales. That's who's going to be on this page. And then you'll be able to click that and head over to the next part. Since you've created your Facebook page, you now need to set up some contact information for your business profile. So this is going to be your email address, your phone number, and any other way that you want people to be able to contact you. If you have a physical location, you want to make sure that you put that in there so that like people can find you on a map, etc. Now, you don't have to put your phone number if you don't want to. Once that's all set up, your business profile is ready and you're going to be able to check out your insights. This is the cool part about having a business profile, because now you can see the data about how your posts are performing. Don't look at my data on this one. This is a just for fun inactive account. Now you can also click on these options to call, to email. You can check those to make sure that everything is in working order. If you don't want people to call you, go in and edit and remove your phone number from the account. That way people can't call you on the phone. Now, once you have that all set up, your business account is ready to go. Next, you're going to want to make sure you're signed up for an Instagram approved partner. Now, I put a link down in the description of this video so that you can go and find who is approved and who isn't. And you might be surprised, there are a lot of tools out there for Instagram that aren't actually approved to be used by Instagram. So I recommend Tailwind. That is the Instagram approved partner that we use to schedule our social media for our clients. We use it for both Pinterest and Instagram to do our scheduling. And Tailwind just made an announcement that they are working really hard to make sure that they can roll out this new type of scheduling. So if you've been using Tailwind or Hootsuite or any of these other third-party tools in the past, you might have noticed that the scheduling really isn't scheduling. It's more like a reminder system. So you put your post in there, you've got your caption and everything, you set it for the time that you want it to publish, but the app then sends you a reminder. So on Tailwind for Android, I get a text message every time it's time to post that post on Instagram, and then I have to open up Instagram and actually put the post in there. And the app makes it a little bit easier to do that, but it's not actually scheduling it, because it means that I still have to be available at that time. I still have to have Wi-Fi and internet access to be able to upload that post to Instagram from my mobile device. Now we're not going to have to do that. So I highly recommend Tailwind. I absolutely love it. I love how you can save hashtags in it. Makes it really easy to schedule from anywhere on the internet using your desktop. You can sign up for Tailwind using the link down in the description of this video, and I get a little bit of a kickback, plus you get a free trial of Tailwind if you sign up with my referral link. All right, the third thing that you want to do is, if your approved partner is not using the scheduling system yet, they don't have it functional, just sit tight. Wait a little bit. They're working really hard to get it up. So I know that Hootsuite already has it up, and I heard that Sprout Social already does too. I used to use Sprout Social back in the day, but Sprout is really expensive now. So that's why we're using Tailwind. Sprout is about $99 a month. Tailwind is $120 for the whole year. So if your approved partner has not yet rolled out scheduling, just sit tight, keep using the scheduler as it is right now, and then watch to see when they roll out the new true scheduling functionality for Instagram. Now, if you want to learn more smart Instagram hacks like this, I would love to have you join our #Pro course. So not only do we talk about Instagram in that course, but I talk about all the platforms that you can use hashtags on, as well as some really awesome hacks for using hashtags to get noticed by brands like BuzzFeed, to get brand deals, to get better performance on your sponsored content and on any of content that you're posting, as well as how to do research with hashtags. And so this is a way to make your content or your product even better than it actually is. And you can do that with hashtags. It's like super crazy. Now, the #Pro course is closed right now. It only opens for enrollment a couple times a year, but you can get on the wait list, and there's special goodies and special offers that only come to people that are on the wait list. So don't wait around for me to tell you, hey, it's open. Get on the wait list. You'll be the first to hear about it. And there's certain times a year that I open up for secret sales that you can get in a back door into the course if you're on the wait list. So you definitely want to get on that. The link is down in the description of this video, so make sure that you sign up for that. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get notices every time we put up a new video. Thanks so much for being here, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!